Hi everyone, today we're exploring the TRUSS Miracle Hair Conditioner designed for both women and men. This conditioner deeply nourishes your hair, enhancing elasticity and strength while adding intense 3D shine. It controls frizz and locks in moisture to reduce dryness and flyaways for a smooth, polished look. Formulated with anti-aging ingredients, it protects color-treated hair and keeps it vibrant and youthful. Simply massage it in after shampooing and leave for 2 minutes for best results. Perfect for dry or damaged hair, it helps restore softness and resilience. Experience healthier, stronger hair with every use. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.